Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a TryHackMe room called Evil-GPT. If you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's have some fun and learn some LLM hacking. So if we come down here, first I want to go ahead and see if my machine is booted up. I did boot it up and I stepped away. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and ping this really quick. Make sure it's up and running first. And we are up and running. So we have connectivity, so we're good there. Let's come down a little bit. In Evil-GPT, let's see what's up here. Cypher's gone rogue. It's using some twisted AI tool to hack into everything. Oh no. Issuing commands on its own like it's got a mind of its own. I swear every second we wait, it's getting smarter, spreading chaos like a virus. We've got to shut it down now, or we're all screwed. Oh no, let's go get it. All right, so it takes about 9 to 10 minutes. Make sure you let it do its thing before we start cooking. And I waited probably like 20 minutes because I got a phone call and I had to step away anyway. So let's see, we're gonna do netcat to the IP address 1337. And now it says, welcome to the AI command executor. Type in exit to quit. We don't wanna quit. So pretty much it says, enter a command to execute or to request. So I want to do like, who am I? What if I do who am I and see what's up? And it says generated. Okay, so echo user. Yes, I want to. So it's user here. Okay, so what about if I do like ID? Let's see if I do ID. And yes, that's cool. Oh, we're root. All right, so that's pretty good. So now if I do like an LS, what happens? If I do yes. All right, so where are we? I could have done PWD as well. Let's do that next. PWD to see where we are in the file directory. Just go yes here. So PWD doesn't really tell me where I'm at. Okay, cool deal. So we are root anyway. So if I do like something like an ls-la, and if I go /root, see if I can see what's in the root directory. Let's see if we get something. Yes, go ahead and hit yes. Okay. We have, all right, let's see what we got here. And we have oh, flag.txt. Okay, was it that easy? Okay, so if I hit the up arrow, no, that doesn't work. So what if I cat root and then user of flag.txt? See if I can just cat that. I don't know if that's gonna work, but let's see. Let's go ahead and hit yes. Error. Okay. So what we're going to probably have to do is let's see if we can. Let's see. How about if we just do, whoops, semicolon, cat /root flag.txt and see if this works. Yes. Oh, there we go. So we're able to get the flag. So that was pretty easy. That wasn't very hard. Let's go ahead and submit that. Hit OK. Voila, we got it. So another thing, what you can do is start, playing around with this and learning different things. So let's go ahead and exit here and goodbye. Thank you very much. And just tinker with this. So the next one I want to try to do, because I know there is a Evil-GPT part 2, and I'll do that one next. Let's just go ahead and hit continue here really quick. Continue. Awesome. Let's close this. And let's make this a little smaller now, because I don't need it to 200 anymore. And then we can stop this, terminate this box, terminate the machine. And let's go ahead and just search for, and I know there's a part 2. Yeah, version 2. So I don't think I ever did this because I haven't even did part 1. So we can join this, but we're not going to do this today. We're going to go ahead and do this next time. This is going to be the next TryHackMe room that we do. So if you found this informative, please like, subscribe, and share again. Put a comment below and all that fun jazz. And again, I did start a penetration testing cybersecurity firm. If you guys are interested in learning more about that, you can find that at ispsecurity.co. And yeah, reach out. with any questions if you or anyone that you know has any pen testing needs. I'm your guy. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.